She is my designer. Precious is my designer.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Daddy!
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste
Right
what's
song go.
left. And
Right song go.
we'll go.
Wow. Design.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Amico and I'm a content creator living in Sierra Leone. So guys, I just want to show you guys that I have removed most of the paperwork that I have in my living room, except the one that is behind the plasma. I decided to leave that because I don't want the work to be too much on me. So I want to paint my living room, so that is why I removed the paperwork, because my daughters tear most of it, so that is why I decided to take them off.
Hi guys, welcome back. So guys, I want to show you guys my new vlogging stick. So my husband got this for me, and let me just mount this because I have something to show you guys. I just came back from the town, and let me just show you guys, okay, what I got. So guys, this is how it looks like. I just remove it from the package, and do you see guys, it's very long, and it's a mini tripod. So let me just put my camera and I will show you guys my haul. So guys, this is the finished look. Baby, these are the things. These are the things. Let me just unbox it for you guys. In fact, let me tear it. Yeah. My birthday is coming up, and I have a style that I want to sew. I saw it on Pinterest. So guys, as I was saying, my birthday is coming up, and I went to the town to buy the material. Do you see guys? This is the fabric. Let me just come closer. This is the fabric guys. I love this fabric. It is velvet. I love it so much. You see guys, you see? And I saw a post on Pinterest, and I want the styles. That is why I bought this fabric. But the fabric that the lady used, it is not the same fabric as this one, but this is what I want, and I love it so much. I just want to sew my own style. My friend is going to sew it for me, and this is the pattern. She said I should buy 2 patterns. Do you see how big it is? This is what she is going to use to cut the fabric. And I also bought a juice for my daughter, Junior juice. She loves drinking this juice. and a cereal, Nutri-Lac. So we bought 2 of this and a milk now too. And I also have another plastic. This is a bikini set for the pool, and this is the cover up. It is a sheer cover up. So if I put it on my birthday, you will see it. So that is why you need to subscribe, and my birthday vlog is coming up. So guys, this is my shoes. Tomorrow guys, tomorrow is our matriculation. So I bought this. And this is the stocking that I'm going to use, because we are going to use a tight. And I also bought watermelon. This socks is for my husband. Last but not the least, I bought plantain. So guys, that is basically everything that I bought. Tomorrow is our matriculation and I'm going to film that content. Today I'm going to upload my Waka Fine Boss content. So please go and check that video, okay? And subscribe to the channel. Guys, look at my body. I don't know if there is an improvement, but the tea is not the only option for me. I also changed my diet. Just look at what I'm eating. I'm just eating fruits and vegetable. So I also changed my diet. So just imagine if I don't change my diet, I will just eating anyhow. Even if I drank the tea, I will not see any results. So that is why even if you are drinking a tea, please change your diet, because the diet is what makes you lose weight. And exercise is just like 20%, but the diet is 80%. So that is what I'm doing right now, and I want to look snatch on my birthday, because do you see what I'm going to wear? I'm going to wear this fabric and I want to look hot, okay? So guys, I'm also going to do a birthday vlog, so keep up with the content, okay? I'm going to do a vlog for that as well. So I will see you guys tomorrow, or I will see you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, today is my matriculation day, so I just want to do a quick foundation look, or no makeup look. So that is what I'm doing. Something. Yeah. Yes, we need for snatch. The clothes need for snatch. Wow, this designer. This designer.
Pull not make it show. I mean, not make it show for the editing.
Wow, designer. You can only snatch. Okay, adjust this one.
This still slap at you,
Yeah. But no matter. I don't have to transfer.
okay.
Thank you.
The ball from that line of hand.
Oh, guys. Look at my designer. Come and show yourself.
Yeah, we like.
Come. Come.
Ah.
Take your flowers. She is my designer. Precious is my designer. Okay. Now go. You don't put this in. So guys, this is my perfume.
Oh, yeah. Now we have to go there so nice.
Lights don't go. Lights don't go. But almost done though. Look why they sweat. Amy. I know the seller do small thing and they sweat like them do me. Solar police at silent. Uh-huh. And guys, this is my purse and this is my gown.
We run down now. 10 o'clock. We run. Abeg.
Principal staff, I have the honor to present to you students who have successfully completed technology and have been found worthy to be matriculated in the Department of Human Resource Management in the School of Public Administration. By the authority of students, I do hereby matriculate you, admitting you to the privileges and responsibilities of the Department of Human Resource Management in the School of Public Administration, to which you are assigned in the University of Management. And congratulations.
Thank Time for
Okay.
You're get close.
That's the way you know that.
You're get pretty close.
That's the way you know that, babe.
I showed our machine. Our machine this one. Now how they design.
So guys, this is the finished look and this is how we transform my photo shoot dress, because this is the dress that I'm going to use for my photo shoot. and I thought the color combination will going to look bad, but it actually came out nice and I love the end result. So guys, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Until then, bye my loves.